Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will cover how to disable Cortana on Windows 11. The great thing is that Cortana is not built into the start menu or the search box like Windows 10, but still, if you wanna disable Cortana, prevent it from running in the background and having access to your microphone, the first step is by going to the task manager, then startup, and of course from here you can disable Cortana from running at system startup. You can also open the settings menu, go to apps, startup, and also from here you can disable Cortana, and from apps and features search for Cortana, then click on advanced options. From here you can prevent Cortana from having the app permission to use your microphone. You can also prevent it from running in the background. You also have some extra options like run at login. You can also terminate, reset and repair this app. For most people this is enough, but now let's see how to permanently disable Cortana. The first method is by disabling Cortana from the group policy editor. Simply right click on the start menu, then click on run, or you can use the shortcut Windows plus R. Now write gpedit.msc. From here click on computer configuration, then select administrative templates, then Windows components, and finally click on search. I will leave the path or the necessary steps in the video description if you want. Now double click on allow Cortana, and here you can select disabled. Now click on apply and then click on OK, and once you start your computer, Cortana will be disabled. But if you don't have access to the group policy editor, let's see how to disable Cortana from the registry editor. To disable Cortana from the registry editor, again right click on the start menu, then select run, or use the shortcut Windows key plus R. Now type regedit, then click on OK. From here select HKey local machine, then select software. Now select policies, Microsoft, then Windows, and finally select Windows search. And from here you can add a new value, allow Cortana. If you don't find it, simply right click new dword 32-bit value and name it allow Cortana. Once you add this new value, double click and set the value data to 0, then click on OK. And now once you restart your computer, Cortana won't be running in the background. And of course keep in mind that there are other apps from Microsoft that are running in the background, having permission to your programs and using your system resources. For more information about privacy and security in Windows, and for the best settings that you can disable and the best steps to use your Windows system more privately, you can watch my video about Windows 11 privacy settings. You'll find all the information you can possibly need. And to optimize Windows 11 to get the best possible performance from your system, you can watch my video about Windows 11 optimization. The link will be in the description below. And of course, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials. Until next time, bye.